Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It is hot. It is hot, hot, hot. I have opened every window in this caravan. I don't know, the weather in Ireland, you just, from one day to the next, you don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, so yesterday's painting, I know why I did it, okay? It didn't hold the patterns in the black, and the reason for that was my blue paint that I put in was too liquid. It was too watery, and it just made all of the paints watery. So when I was tilting it, it just lost all. I mean, it's pretty, it's busy drying still. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry, but it didn't hold the cells. And so we're going to try it again. I took that blue paint yesterday and I thickened it. So, and now, well, I actually just mixed other colors into it. So now it's a funny color. I don't know, but we're going to use it. It's fine. So we're going to try it again, another swipe. And we are going to reuse an old canvas. We're going to paint over it. So come, let's redo that swipe. And let's create a beautiful painting today. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm just putting my gloves on. So I've got my palette knife, I've got a paper towel to wipe it off, and I've got 4 colors here, and I've got my Amsterdam oxide black mixed with water only. And like I said, we're just going to paint over this. And if you hear a noise, it's the fan. I've got the windows open, like I said, but it's I don't know, it's still very hot in here. Right, okay, let's start. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to just put paint and put more paint, and this is the mixture that I made with that blue. Like I said, I just added other colors into it, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It's actually not a bad color, so I'll just put some of that. Right, and then I've got some gold. I'll pour that in from a height like that. And then just to use all of it, I'm just going to dig the paint out of here. Just like that. Can just use the same stick, it doesn't matter. Right, here goes. I think that should do it. So I'm going to start just by doing a circle around. Right, let's go over. Right, and down. Right. It hasn't held its, I wonder if it's the gold. Why isn't it holding its shape? I wonder if it isn't the gold. Because to be honest, I don't know if I love this painting. I actually don't like it. Alright, okay, let's just get this paint over there. Okay, let me wipe my hands off, and I'm going to put color, and I'm not going to put any gold, so let's just put some color down. I don't know. Right, let's just tilt it because I don't know. I really can't tell you. I don't know. Okay, and that is over. That is over. Now that is gorgeous. Let's just get this disaster off the bottom. That is over. Come on, go, 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 go. All right, it is over. Well, to be fair, I love the colors. The colors up here are absolutely out of this world. This whole side and that corner, very pretty. Love it, love it. I just want to see if I can just tilt this a little bit more. No, it's distorting everything, so bring it back just a little. Yeah, I think I'm leaving it there. Well, that is pretty. That is pretty. There is some lacing. I'm just going to take my gloves off quick. Oh, goodness. There is some lacing, but again, it didn't hold its shape. Oh, I don't know why. I honestly don't. I mean, this is... Let me just make sure I don't have paint on my hands. This is what I'm trying to do again. You know, it's not that. So, I don't know. But anyway, it is what it is. I do love these colors. There is some lacing. So I'm leaving it and we're going to let it dry and then we'll see what it looks like dry. But I'm going to bring you in for a close-up quick. Hold on a sec. So there it is. So really, really pretty colors in it. And lovely lace in there. This is also quite different. It's quite weird. Lovely colors down there. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Lovely lacing and colors all the way across there. So it is very bright, it is very colorful. It has some really cool designs and effects in it. Really, really nice colors. Really, really nice colors. So, you know, I think it will be very pretty when it's dry. We're just going to have to wait and see. But I don't know, I've got to go back to the drawing board about why I'm not getting those cells. What am I doing different? I really don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Not giving up. And I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one for whatever reason, please consider subscribing and yeah, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you next time, next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.